So legit, you hear that? I fucking told you I got a haunted clock. I'm standing perfectly still. So what normally happens is this eagle, which again, it's normally supposed to be like that, so you can see it, but it turns, and every once in a while, it's about 10 o'clock, and you can see it's not running, but these things just tremble. I'm standing here on my little footstool. Like, I'm not moving. Here's my hand, my other hand's holding the phone. The wall's not shaking. The wall's smooth. If you listen to it, it strikes 7 times. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it gets really pissy when I count it. I forget that's a friction fit. It's not a clip. This is what it's supposed to sound like when it's not doing that. Come on, girl. Like I said, I haven't had it wound up in a while. So I'm trying to level it out. But I will stop these for you. See how let go? You can hear how they sound. And now that I've taken care of her, she stops. Every time. So, mind your haunted clocks.